this is our lighting kit that we have put together with the housing. Now we're going to mount it onto the bottom of the fan. This is color coded, so it goes like that. See the little connectors? These are the male pins. This is the female. So you're going to mount these together, push them together nicely, wiggle them, and just, I think that's it. Okay, now those are connected. Push that together some more. Okay, and then we'll be ready to mount the lighting kit onto the fan. We gently want to push our wires into place and then just fit this up onto here. You want to see if you can make sure that you get those lock washers out of the way. Okay, push that up onto there, then twist it. Now we're tightening up the lighting kit onto the fan itself. So there's 3 screws. You're just going to snug these up. These don't need to be extremely tight, possibly 10 pounds of torque, something like that. So now we have our lighting kit mounted to our fan.